This is the functional approach of criminal law, and according to this report, the criminal law has to perform two functions, positive as well as negative. And the positive functions of criminal law.
Of Tamil Nadu, so it gives the word of the unity. To maintain the unity, the whole nation is there, and that is the
storyteller hai, they will rule the world. Storytellers will rule the world because stories ऐसी होती हैं जो जल्दी से भूली नहीं जाती, कॉन्सेप्ट फिर भी भूले जा सकते हैं, बट जब हम कॉन्सेप्ट को, ये मैं पहला आपको एक फॉर्मूला दे रही हूँ, जब आपको किसी को अपनी बात,
it has pointed out in one study that majority, that is 69.75%, Muslim women do not want to educate their daughters beyond the time
using internet or mobile devices. Tablets came, we started using some tablets, and all these devices were used to connect with each other.
Like गेम डेवलपमेंट में वो यूज किया जा रहा है, लाइक बिग डेटा एक्सेस करने के लिए यूज किया जा रहा है, वेब टेस्टिंग में, एआई में, डेटा साइंस में, मशीन लर्निंग
guidelines. Third, today we are going to speak about blood donation. Much of the blood donation in our country.
Malaria complicated by severe anemia and trauma-related injuries. Maternal mortality due to bleeding accounts for more than 40% of deaths in developing countries.
In the 1980s, the 1960s to 80s, the world was fighting with HIV, all of you know AIDS. But nobody since the Spanish flu came around in 1914, 1918, I think about.
Everyone can do this. So let's understand the physical symptoms like irregular bowel movements, involuntarily twitching or shaking.
Very basic thing, which will definitely remove nervousness. Nervousness, because that is where people, have to fight a lot. Nervous हो जाते हैं, ऐसा लगता है. अरे nervous हो जाते तो क्या हो गया? It's normal.